Welcome to the Service Tinkering Lab, a place where your ideas and actions come together to make a real impact. Whether it's planning an unforgettable event, organising a fundraiser, or creating a community project, this is your chance to tinker with ideas that bring people together and make a difference. Imagine this. Plan an epic school event, like a talent show or carnival. Organise a charity drive to help those in need. Create a community cleanup day with fun activities. Design a unique celebration for someone special, complete with DIY decorations and themes. In this space, there's no one way to do things. You get to brainstorm, experiment, and design your projects your way. Whether it's big or small, every idea matters because your creativity can inspire change and bring joy to others. And here's the best part. We'll keep your imagination buzzing with tons of inspiring challenges and tips. Want to plan a themed event? Create a clever way to raise funds? Or come up with something entirely new for your community? We're here to support you with ideas, resources, and encouragement. So, are you ready to tinker with planning, organising, and brainstorming? Bring people together with creative events? Solve problems and make your mark in the community? Are you game? Gather your tools, rally your ideas, and let's start planning projects that are fun, meaningful, and full of heart. Because in the Service Tinkering Lab, your actions create ripples of positivity everywhere. Let's plan, organise, and make a difference together.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content to inspire and guide your kids in their entrepreneurial journey.